What we're seeing is a new wave of leadership that is more focused on innovation and change.
Is all about sustainable living, long-term vision rather than short-term. It applies across all the cultures.
Being able to understand the human dimension and how we can work together is more important than ever.
Nice thing about Nordic leadership is that it's values-based.
You can have a lot of abstract ideas about change and innovation, but what design can do is to make those ideas very, very concrete and tangible, create actual value, and make a dent in those big challenges.
You have to have a more trust-based approach to leadership to be able to deal with the challenges the world is faced with.
Executives like it when they have something tangible to take home, or a good balance of scientific rigor, research, and experiential learning. This is the place where Henley Business School and Henley Business School Copenhagen does things differently. We are not here to have passive audience who sit here as executives and a lecturer or academic just talking all the way through. It's interaction-based, it's activity-based, and it's experiential learning-based.
It's for people who are truly curious, who are interested in continuing to develop themselves as individuals, but also leaders.
Embrace design as an approach to innovation and change.